Hello, thank you for joining me again. Another video from the Dorothy Clive Garden. This is the huge bronze stag who stands at the top of the fountain. Water's pumped up, and this is the start of the waterfalls. I actually prefer this little bit to the bigger one. Story of my life, I prefer little chapels to great big cathedrals, little cottages to very grand stately houses. So I'm conforming to my usual pattern, I suppose. And I could quite happily sit here for an hour or so, just watching and listening. I'll shut up and let you do some listening to the water too. I love the way the sun catches the water as it bounces off the rocks. And that stag that's been up there for over 20 years now, I think. I wonder what he thinks of it all. So let's follow the water. We've got the pink campions. Or are they? No, I think they're actually a geranium. I don't know. Friends who are gardeners will be going, "Oh, Dee, come on, you should know that." I don't care. That's my excuse for not learning. Then we have some iris, yellow iris, standing tall. And the beautiful yellowy green leaves, the sun reflected off them. Placed next to some darker leaves. The contrast is so beautiful. And a weeping tree. Carefully going into reverse mode. I love it when you move from light to shade. Hope the camera's coping with it okay. And here we have a little bridge. Move into the shade over this side. Do you know, it's sorely tempting to take off my shoes and sit on that slab there and dangle my feet in the water. But as I haven't got anything on which to dry them, I shall refrain. And on down. And that's the top of the fountain recorded in another vlog. So I hope you've enjoyed my sharing of one of my favourite places. And I'm just going to sit here and quietly contemplate. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.